created a circle that is big, a single circle. And I want to change that single circle to perhaps red. And I want to have a black outline, like that. And I want to change the stroke to perhaps a little bit smaller. And I want to give it a 3.0 outline. Now I have a red circle with a stroke, a 3mm stroke in black. I want to create a copy of this. So I can select it. And I can say Command C, Command V, and it'll make a copy for me. I can say Command C, Command F for front, and it'll put a copy in front. I can say Command C, Command B, and it'll put a copy in the back for me. I can also create a copy that is smaller or bigger. So I'm going to click, and I can either go to Object Transform and say Scale, or I can right click and say Transform, and I can say Scale. And I will have an option here. I can say Uniform or Non-Uniform, and the preview. If I take the preview off, it won't show me what I'm looking at when I change it. I said uniform. I want to make a copy that is 60%, and I'm going to say preview, and that is what 60% looks like. Now I can either say OK, and it will then change my original circle and make it 60% smaller, or I can say copy, and now it has made a copy of that circle. I now have two circles. So I'm going to take this circle, I'm going to copy it. I'm going to say Command C, Command F, so it's right in front of it. And there I have one circle and two circles that's 60% of that size. I'm going to select those two circles, and in my align window I'm going to say please align them so they're aligned at the bottom. And I'm going to select all of them, and I'm going to distribute them equally. That means they are equally distributed. If I put them farther away from one another, they will equally distribute them that way. If I put them closer, they will equally distribute them for one another in that way. So what I'm going to do is make sure my alignment is perfect. Now, I'm going to go to Window, and I'm going to choose what's called the Pathfinder window. And you're going to see I have a Pathfinder window that opens up, and I'm going to attach it here at the bottom. Now I'm going to black arrow, select my entire image, all three circles. And here in the Pathfinder, I have a variety of options. The first shape mode, it says it will unite them all and it'll create an outline. The second shape, it'll minus the front. The second one, it will only choose the intersect and it'll exclude, so you can go through those options. So let me show you what will happen. If I choose the minus the front, it will take everything that's in the front away. How do I know that's in the front? Because I know these two circles are in the front, so it will take the front away. If I choose the third one, it will give me only where the three circles overlap. The first one will create an outline of the shape. So now, in a very quick way, I have created a single outline. Why is the inside red and the outside black? Because that is what I have started with. Let's say I would like to change that. I go to my swatches and I swap it around, and I will have a black inside with a red outside. If I don't like that, I can go back by going Command Z, 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 or I can do undo, undo, undo at the top, or Command Z until I have where I want it to be.